higher American double door. As you can see, fridge side door is clean. And the freezer side door from bottom to top. And this is the left side of the fridge. Got some scratches there, as you can see in the video. And then I'll show you inside. That's the fridge side. Everything there. And that's the freezer side. This is not brand new, this is graded, but still book and everything is there. And then it's the right side. As you can see, there's a dent there. There's two more on the side. This is right side of the fridge.